حسبي الله لا إله إلا هو عليه توكلت وإليه المصير. I made dua for years and he stayed silent. I begged with tears and the world still stayed violent. I asked for ease, he sent a storm. I asked for healing, he made me transform. I said, why delay it? He said, if you knew the plan, you'd pray I'd save it. They told me, trust Allah. I smiled, but inside I broke. Cause when the answers didn't come, my heart slowly choked. But he never left, even when I did. Hasbi Allah, Hasbi Allah, alayhi law wa ilayhi tawakkaltu wa ilayhi al-masir. Hasbi Allah, Hasbi Allah, alayhi law wa ilayhi tawakkaltu wa ilayhi al-masir. I tied my rope to this dunya tight, but it snapped when the wind didn't feel right. So he taught me to hold the rope unseen, the rope that never breaks, never leans. I said, I'm tired. He whispered, then rest in me. I said, I've lost everything. He replied, now you'll see me clearly. Hasbi Allah, توكلت وإليه المصير. حسبي الله، حسبي الله، عليه توكلت وإليه المصير. I thought I needed closure, but I needed sujood. I thought I needed answers, but I needed you. I thought life was unfair, but maybe that was the proof you care. He closed the doors I used to chase, so I'd finally look at his face. He broke the dunya in front of my eyes, so I'd stop worshipping its lies. Anta ma'i, anta sami du'ai, anta you hear my dua, you are my Lord. I want no one but you. Now I don't ask when, I ask what is he teaching. I don't say why, I say Subhanak, you're reaching. Because even if I never see the plan, I still raise my hands and whisper, he knows why. توكلت وإليه المصير. حسبي الله، عليه توكلت وإليه المصير. وإليه المصير، وإليه المصير.